If there was anyone I'd wanna spend about 100 days.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy. Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy. Stay pogi.
I
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy. I hope you enjoy your day and stay safe and healthy always.
Hi, Miggy. Happy birthday. Naiyak ako. First of all, I just want you to know that I am grateful for you that hanggang ngayon, ever since we're friends and until now, well, hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. You already know what I have to say, but I'll just keep it short and simple. I wish you success to your future endeavors, and I wish that you live a long and healthy life filled with happiness and bountiful blessings. Ayun, I'm just so happy na kapart ako ng gantong mga milestones, events mo, and happy birthday, stay makulit, and God bless. Love you.
just making drinks instead of plans while the record players blasting. I sing it will be you and only you.
Happy birthday, anak. Iyak ako. Continue to be a blessing to everyone. Kasi alam ko, mabuti yung puso mo. Mabait ka. Tsaka masipag ka mag-aral. Continue chasing your dreams. Okay? I love you, anak.
You might as well just stand up in my arms if the sky turns black, if the markets crash.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Miggy!
Goes down, I want you by my side. We could stay up till the last sunrise.
Miggy, anak, happy 21st birthday. So now that you're now a young man, all I can say is continue pursuing your dreams. No, ako naman, kami naman ng mami mo, we only hope for the best for you. And as like your mom said, continue to be the good man. Love your cousins, no, everyone that is depending on you. Take care of them, no. And kami naman ni mami mo, we just want that one moment in time na makita namin na achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo and goals mo in life. Beyond that, alam naman namin na you will be successful kasi alam ko kung gaano kang kasipag at alam namin kung gaano kang ka-dedication on your craft. We love you, anak. We love you. We cannot thank you more than enough, no, sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa amin. So again, happy birthday. We hope you enjoy the rest of the day or the rest of the night. No? Happy birthday to you, anak.
You might as well just stand up in my arms.
Mom, Dad, thank you sa lahat. Alam ko, isa lang naman ako, so ganito yung efforts na sobra-sobra. And itong birthday ko na itong celebration na to, parang it's been a week, parang week-long celebration dahil super special ng birthday ko. And I want to thank you both for giving me an opportunity and for giving me the experience na gusto ko and sa tingin nyo na magiging most beneficial sa akin. And to that, I thank you sa inyong pareho dahil lagi nyo ako sinusuportahan sa lahat. And hindi naman ako makakarating dito without you. And in the future, hindi rin naman magkakaroon ng pangarap kundi dahil sa mga example sa sinet nyo. And yun lang. Thank you. Thank you both.
Love you, anak. Mwah!
In my arms.